What's happening, guys? Gary Yaman here, back at it again with a new video. Hope you're doing well, hope you're safe, I hope you're healthy. Let's begin right away with this video. This is the unboxing and first impression video of this FE 1635mm f4 ZA or ZAOSS lens. Whenever I think about f4, I'm like, this is not professional. This lens must be terrible, you know, all that stuff going on. But the reason for me for getting this lens is that I really like to have some kind of convenience when it comes down to like zoom lenses and stuff like that. So what do we get on the outside? That is of course the traditional Sony orange box, and nothing really special actually. So let's unbox it together. 1 year extended warranty, really good. Really good to have it, guys. And here it is. Ooh. Ooh la la. Oh. Alright. Ooh. Here it is, guys. Oh, wow. Look at this little bad boy. It's actually smaller than I thought. Alright, good. Looks really good. Wow. Ooh. Look at this. Magnifique. Wow. Let's put that here. Little lens hood. So with this this leather pouch. And then I'm gonna put the little lens hood on it. Oop. Okay. Alright, looks pretty cool. Nice little is it weather sealed? Does it have a gasket here? Not sure. I don't know. I think I need to have some new glasses or something. Alright, feels good in the hand, feels nice and solid. Alright, let's switch things around to see if it's any good. Alright, this is now the 1635 f4, and as you see, it's really wide and really like strange looking. So let's zoom into 35, and I think maybe a little bit more like so. I think that's better. I think this looks pretty good. How is the autofocus doing? Let's check that out. Boom. Boom. I cannot see it on that little screen. But anyways, I think at first glance, how it feels in the hand and how it looks on the Sony a7 III looks really good, and I really like how it's doing. Also, I'm gonna take it outside to see if it's any good. So some first photos will be coming maybe right now whilst I'm talking. So what do you think about the first photos? Does it look any good? You know, and I think I'm going to do some landscape shots, some nature shots, and maybe even some street photography. Especially right now here in the Netherlands, we got this lockdown going on. So all these cities and all the streets are kind of empty, and you know, we'll see what we can create with this Zeiss FE 1635 f4, right? So if you want to see the full review in a couple of weeks, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. As always, stay safe and stay healthy. See you, good luck, stay healthy, stay safe.